say something. Explain the rules.
Michael,
Explain! El explaino.
why can't you explain the rules?
Because.
I can explain the rules if you want.
There.
Grace.
See, look at this trooper. Get out of here.
Okay, so Crafty Monkeys is a Minecraft minigame. It's available on the Realms. There are 5 points. Each team starts out on opposite ends at a point. Your goal is to capture all the points for your team. You must capture them in order. You cannot capture them out of order. And you have to be extremely tricky and good at PvP in order to take victory.
Which means Felix Fox is this is gonna go great. Alright! So what do we want? Who do we want to 1v1 first? I'm thinking since Felix Fox isn't on a team, I think we'll start with this.
Okay,
And then
fair enough.
No, you didn't need to leave. And then I guess we'll have Felix Fox 1v1 Samantha, and then
Yeah,
we'll have a 2v1 against Felix Fox. Why not?
sure. Sounds good.
What?
After I lose to everyone, I could be on the winning team.
What'd you say, Logan? Wow.
We'll have you versus Grace, and then me versus Grace, and then you and Grace versus me, and then me and Grace versus you.
No.
What do you mean, bro?
That pillar is so annoying. Stop
no.
doing that.
How about no?
Wait, Michael, you're not doing me versus you?
No, those take way too long.
You guys do seem to... Did you just jump over my head?
I did.
That is the point of the pillar strategy.
It's so irking.
That is also
Huh?
the point of the pillar strategy.
Quail?
I am irked. Let me.
Bro, she about to throw that monitor.
Oh, are you serious? Get
No!
down here so I can properly slay you.
What? Did I get her?
Grace brings out the big words when she's irked.
What? I'm confused. Oh! I'm sorry. Listen, Grace, please. Thank you. Okay.
That was a short round.
That's what we want. Okay, so I guess it is. Oh, it's Logan versus Grace. Yes.
Wait 1 sec.
There is no 1 sec. You good? Oh, he's dying.
Live, please. Inhale and exhale.
Felix Fox going in. So we had a brief intermission where he was dying. Now we good.
I don't want to talk about it.
We're talking about it. We're back. All right, don't worry. We'll have a little segment where you were dying. Don't worry, we're not gonna add it all. No, we're
Can you
going
put that
to.
in like the bloopers? I cannot take this. Don't you dare.
Yes,
My
Grace.
counter is to build
Oh!
another pillar.
Logan!
No.
Oh, the finesse.
How did you die?
The finesse on
I
Tress.
fell.
The Quez. Oh. Built up right in front of each other. Oh, can Logan end it here? Okay. She's this is so stupid, guys. You're not making this interesting. Let's get it. We see what Logan
Come
sees.
at me.
We're in his
Oh,
eyes.
you.
Build one
I
out,
can't
Logan.
quite reach you. It's just a little bit too far.
Yes! There we go! The fight! The final fight! Oh! And that one goes
Yeah.
down.
What's next?
Alright, Michael, me versus you.
Oh,
Grace, hop off and get
Oh.
back.
No. Grace, don't do it. Grace, don't
Fine.
do it. No, Logan, me versus you 1v1s take so long.
Well, we've just had 2 extraordinarily short games.
So these will take longer. We don't want the video to be a half or fucking hour long.
No.
Okay, Grace, come on. Grace.
oh, we're kind of interfering with each
Grace,
other.
ooh.
What
Pain.
was that?
No.
No.
Yes! Yes! Go.
No.
Go. Get the demented Mickey Mouse. That was slowly dying. Ooh. That was quick.
Oh, that was. These games are so short. Usually they take longer than this.
It takes like hours.
What happened?
They take
Am I
hours.
just-
They
Grace,
take.
you're on yellow team.
No. No. No.
Michael.
Blue team is empty.
Fine. I'm
Very
gonna
clever.
lose. I'm gonna lose so bad. Why?
Michael, I lost super bad and you don't see me complaining.
I lost twice.
Because I'm bad.
Badly.
Logan's still dying.
Bounce.
Do we need another intermission
Hop
where you die?
in.
I get one and then the other comes over and yeah.
Destroyed.
Oh, I wonder why. Go,
Oh my goodness.
go away!
Where is he going?
Bruh, I'm trying not to lose. This is why we don't do 2v1s.
What?
Unless of course it's Sean.
No, yeah, against Sean it's a fair 2v1. Although
No, I was so close.
Michael, we can't include that in the video
Why?
because Sean's not on the channel.
Too bad. Shocking guest star.
I don't think that
I don't know. It
counts
wouldn't
as
be very
guest-
polite to include someone without their permission.
Who says permission? Oh my god, Logan! Let's go. No pain.
No pain.
No, just pain. That's all I feel. No, I swear. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
Please don't cry.
No, I already
Do it,
have.
coward. Cry.
Ah!
I mean, if you want to cry, that's fine. But
Oh!
No.
Oh yes. Wait, you killed yourself? What?
What's up?
Where did it say that? Wait.
Roomdoor was killed by Roomdoor.
Bro, I am professional. Don't worry about it.
Wait, where did he go? Oh, there he is. Okay.
He's professional.
Well,
Just
what's
do
that?
it. Just do it.
Okay, that just cost me the game.
I thought
Yeah,
I was
Michael,
gonna.
we're gonna have like a 5-minute video.
I thought I was gonna hit you.
Yeah, this is gonna be a very
Fine,
short video.
Grace,
we
log
made
off.
like what?
Fine,
We
Grace.
played, like,
log
what,
off.
10 minutes?
Here comes the extra 40 minutes of the video.
All right, time to log back on.
You're good.
Get on. Right now. Get on.
I'm
She's
coming.
probably
I'm
logging
connecting.
on,
It
bro.
takes
You
a
gotta
second. My
calm.
computer isn't beefy, okay?
What?
Dang,
Your
Logan,
computer
so
isn't made-
inconspicuous is not the right word.
I don't know. Have you seen me play
inconsiderate.
Phasmophobia?
Inconsiderate, that's the word. Oh. Oh, no!
Towers.
I can freaking wait.
Wait. Oh no.
Edna?
Dang, that was impressive.
Who's Edna? Ah!
Nice.
What you mean nice?
That I don't know. Just the thing about that was impressive. Oh, that was less nice.
Shut your tushy. How's that?
What?
Was that nice? Was that nice?
That wasn't kind of sad, but
What? He's dying.
you only said you said you do a lot of
Logan
mutual
dying part
dying?
2.
Oh.
Logan dying part 2. This is gonna have an 8-part.
Oh.
This is gonna be an 8-part.
Stop.
Like this is gonna be an 8-part series. Pain.
Oh. Now that
Oh,
was,
he got the
if you
slick.
can keep it, it's gonna be an epic.
Ah!
Oh yeah. Nice.
No.
Oh, oh no!
Look.
The second one was worse.
The way you cough is hilarious. I'm sorry, it is.
Just say the way I cough is hilarious.
Yes.
What the frick is wrong with you?
Everything. I'm not gonna answer that. We'll be here forever. Alright. Die, you spaghetti.
No, you're spaghetti.
Yeah? Well, who's dying here? Oh, no. Oh, that's awkward. Really?
Gonna dye you like wool.
Caillou.
Dude, we don't have that much filming time. What are we gonna do now?
It's been 20 minutes and we've done like 4 rounds.
Me and Michael versus Grace.
We've
Then
done
it's
5
been
rounds with every possible combination.
13 minutes.
Well, except for me and
Okay,
Michael versus.
fine. You guys can cream me. I love being floor paced.
Let's get
Wait,
it.
no.
Oh, this is
Yes! The two professionals
fair enough,
versus
I suppose.
the two professionals versus the dying man.
Man, Michael, I love how non-hypocritical you are. When it's you versus me and Grace, you're like, this is unfair. And when it's you and Grace versus me,
Because I'm bad. I think we've been over this. Grace, I'm gonna need some help. Grace.
No, I am
Grace.
bad. I think that is much easier to what's
No,
the word?
Grace is
Quantify.
Nah, Grace is amazing. What you mean?
I am measurably poor at this game
That
in my skills.
that makes sense. Get him.
I can't get him. He's doing that block thing.
Touch the point. Just touch it. Touch it. Touch it.
I'm trying. He's slaying me.
Oh my god. All right, pincer move.
That's strength.
oh, frick, pincer move.
Pincer. Pincer
Hurry
move.
up. It doesn't pincer if you don't.
Pincer. Oh, pincer.
We did it.
Frick you and your Spencer.
Yes, we got
Oh, no.
we accomplished the Spencer move. Grace, just
How
touch it.
no?
Grace, just touch it. Grace.
I'm trying.
Pay. All right, pincer move times 2.
What is he doing?
Pincer.
You better not be doing that again.
Pincer.
Stop doing that.
Pincer. Come on, Grace.
He fell off. Hit him off the top. Hit him off the top.
Oh, la, 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 la. He kills both.
No.
Like a good amount of time to capture it before I respawn.
See why this is fair, Logan. Yes.
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 Where'd he go?
Yes.
He's still up there.
Oh.
Did we kill him?
No.
I lost him. Okay, he's dead now.
Ah, Grace, you got him. You can fight him, I believe. I'm gonna do the funny.
Don't do the funny. What are you doing? No, you dare build a house.
No, I would never.
You did last like 2-3 games ago.
I don't know what you're talking about.
He's
Oh! Blah, 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 blah. So, Grace, go get him. Dying again.
I fell off because
Grace. Kids, let's count how many times Logan dies in this episode. That's another one.
All right, hop back up there. You can do it. I believe in you.
I don't.
Well, I don't believe in me either, so I'm gonna have to believe in someone. At this point, we're gonna kill each other with swords.
Swords is when you kill each other.
Alright, you didn't retake the point!
What's up? No.
What are you doing?
Grace, pincer move! Yes, pincer move. Pincer move, yes!
Oh my god.
It works! Now, to build my house. You are disrupting the house build! Die! Yeah. Yes,
I
Grace.
got another point. Please assist.
Grace, you're freaking good. You don't need my help.
Okay, I am driving him back more than I was expecting, but he's done that. He's going strat now, and I fell.
And I fell.
Oh wait, he fell too?
Yeah, that's just Logan. Okay. Wow.
All right,
Grace,
he's coming.
I'm fully defending this. Don't worry. You have no.
No, he's right there. No, he's gonna take the other point.
Grace, you have no.
He took back the point.
Grace, you have no worries with this point. I'm defending it with my life. It looks amazing.
He just pinned me down and murdered me. I don't care how it looks. It has to be functional.
No, it looks amazing and it is functional.
One of those is significantly more important than the other.
You're right. The part that looks amazing.
Wait, there's
is
lag.
Is more
There's a lot of lag. I killed him with the lag.
The part in which it looks more. The part in which it looks more better is definitely. Dang it.
What is happening?
Losing. Grace, your head is backwards, you demented. Why are both of you demented? Oh, I just saw that in 3D.
In 3D.
Maybe not in 3D, but I saw it in Glorious. Oh.
Oh, I see. I think I see what you were doing. I'm not completely sure though.
Ah! What's up now? Who's dead now? Oh! Bro, it sounded like a hippo.
Ew.
No!
Rip Rogan.
You did not just say that.
Rip. I did. Pain. 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 Pain.
What the frick is this?
Oh,
No!
Grace, this is awkward.
I didn't see him!
What are you?
Oh no, we're never gonna make it in time! Oh wait, he's right there, never mind. I thought he was gonna keep going.
Yes! Alright, we good. We good. We good. We good. Now, Grace, we good.
Wait, what happened? What is
I
this?
got him!
What did
Go!
you do?
No! Go! Make sure he doesn't live.
He died on his own. I didn't actually have to kill him.
Well, this is awkward.
Where'd she go? Oh, there she is.
What do you mean, where did I go? I'm right up here!
There's spaghetti.
In plain sight and everything! Yes, it caught you!
He didn't die. He's
I
still.
know,
He
but...
is still spaghetti.
Oh.
Oh, I know what he's doing. Surprise!
Oh!
You
Yes?
tried. Here's the long-awaited game that's for 20 hours long. That you guys,
Does it...
or that the filmers have so desperately wanted.
Hey.
Bro, what's up? Go.
We haven't even hit like a full 10 minutes though.
What? This game or the entire recording? Because it has been well over 10
The game.
minutes. I was say.
I know, we're at like half an hour for
Hold on.
recording, but that was like less than 10 minutes
20.
of a game. These all been super short.
What, 20 minutes?
Yeah, I think that's enough time.
Dude, half of that gets cut out in editing.
It depends on how you're editing, I guess.
Hey, let's have me and Logan 1v1 one more time. Grace, can you
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh, Logan, you started that. Don't even.
What?
You
I
started
disconnected already because.
That. Yeah, you're good.
Sorry.
Oh, Logan, hold F5. Just hold it. Oh. Oh, that's so emotionally upsetting. Wow. You did all that just to die. Oh, or not.
No, he didn't die. He caught himself.
You did all that just to die.
That army actually did die.
You didn't die? How the spaghetti did he not die? Can you not?
Can you not?
Can you not? Did all that just to die? Demon. Bye! What's up, queen? Oh, frick.
Who am I even talking to?
You.
What?
Who laughs like that? Who that isn't a demon laughs like that?
What?
Dying that MP76. Look at you good? You good? Bro, I don't I don't think you're good.
I'm not.
Wait, what did I even say? I completely forgot.
I don't know. But it made it laugh a lot.
Oh, Michael, give me the shit. Can we take it?
What?
Uh,
You good? You good? Ah!
sorry, I had a laugh attack.
I noticed. Pain.
Wait, did you die? Hold on.
No. I'm alive. I'm dead, but
You
I'm
can
alive.
see the chat. It usually updates.
No. That's it. That's all I have to say is just no. Holy spaghetti-o!
Ooh.
Yes, sir. This is where dreams become
I
dreams.
like how there's like this giant like mountain of yellow, and then there's little like blocks of like
This is... Okay. Logan.
gray.
This is where dreams become dreams. Jump down.
What?
A minute!
Oh wait, he survived.
He did.
Whoa.
Woo. Bye! Oh, frick. I'm getting bite. No.
There's some lag. Oh,
No,
that's not
no,
great.
just no. Pain!
Oh, we had a shield. That was nice.
Ooh!
Combo.
Combo and a half with the McDouble in the
I was
side.
sure you were going to say Mickey Mouse.
Uh-oh.
I regret all of my decisions.
Adderall?
You guys
Did
passed
you
each
say
other on the
Adderall?
wrong sides.
Pain! Eat some Adderall! Yes! No! I'm good. I'm good, don't worry. He's dying again.
Yeah, this is more what I was expecting from a game. Just like constantly back and forth, not really any progress being made.
Well, no, I capped the next one. What you mean, no progress? Nah!
This is where you were at the beginning of the
Oh,
game.
that's gonna be fun in editing to turn that frickin' scream down. I'm gonna make everyone wearing headphones go deaf.
Just
Don't
call it.
worry, if you were just to tell everyone to turn their headphones way down, like way down.
Well, they wouldn't hear us. They wouldn't hear our annoying voices.
I'll turn on captions and it'll be fine.
And it's all ironic.
Pain! I'm screaming pain. That's all I want to do.
You want a pain?
I want to pain. Ah!
That was so perfectly cut off.
Bye! What's
Yes.
up?
Down.
Ah!
Oh.
Grace, we don't talk about it. Bye!
Nice.
See, I got Grace rooting for me.
I think I don't know who I'm rooting for. Whoever does cool stuff.
She's rooting for it to end.
He's just rooting.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah,
That's it.
see, that was
She's
cool.
rooting. She's rooting. She's being a rooster.
No.
Yes. That's what rooting
Roosters
is.
don't root. That's not a thing roosters do.
I did my research in a calculus book. They do.
How
root.
are you doing that?
Bro, he just knows how
Look
to play.
at him. What is he
He
doing?
knows how to play the game. I gotta put him down. I gotta put him down.
Doing. It's impressive, but it's insane.
I gotta put him
Dude,
down.
in my gaming chair.
Bro, I had to put him down. He knows how to play the
But-
game.
Fair enough.
Just that, Logan, you combo me and then that one hit knocks you off. Oh, I'm coming in like the Flash.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Nice.
All right. Do we want to call it?
I'm not knowing which recording or time is that.
What?
When did we start? It's
27 minutes
currently
and 50 seconds. I think that's a reasonable amount of time.
Sure. We'll have actually like a
All
decently
right.
length
Everyone,
video.
line up together. We're gonna do a nice looking outro. Felix Fox, get over here.
You just got out of line.
All right, fine. We're gonna line up next to Felix Fox. No. Yes. There we go. There we go. That looks great. Well, thanks for watching our crappy video.
You're not allowed to sit down. Start over.
Felix Fox is still dying. You know me as Michael. This is Grace. Yes, this is Grace from
Hello.
the our first Phasmophobia video, and then you know him, the twerking Logan, the dying Logan. He's floating. Okay.
Oh, he said. Wait, what?
You good? Yeah, say bye. Give us the longest yeah boy bye ever.
Alright, bye.
No!